The diseases definitely is the biggest challenge because the life expectancy has gone up and people also wants to have good standard of living, thereby prevention, particularly this initiative what they are talking about, prevention and control of chronic conditions, because majority of the chronic conditions only will graduate to the fatal illnesses. So thereby that we have to bring lot of awareness, health awareness, and lifestyle management has to be done. So that is possible only through a networking. This kind of organizations can definitely set up more and more silos at rural India. It has to, we have to hit the rural India and make sure that many of our youngsters who are graduating, they should be trained properly, and we should have more trainers to train the right people to reach the rural India. Our ministry, we are supporting every initiative, particularly technological interventions, because we have many diagnostic equipments. If we import, they are pretty expensive, particularly the present governments, our government's main initiative to succeed Make in India program. We want to encourage more and more domestic manufacturing and economically to make sure that the equipment is available. One is for diagnosis purpose, the other one is for curative purposes. Many of the equipments which are not reachable for our common man and below, particularly BPL and all. So thereby that is another area Science and Technology Ministry is working and supporting already. We all know that Make in India is a fundamental thing is research matters a lot. Olden days people used to do the imitation, because today our country have grown enough and we have enough foreign exchange. There is no need for doing imitation. We can do the original research, and we have wonderful institutions. Under our ministry we have almost about 38 institutions which does research and development in various fields. So this definitely with the public-private participation will help this country to give more thrust on the Make in India program. So we are working towards private equity funding and government funding and everything to support the young entrepreneurs. PPP models also we are working in many areas like BIRAC. In biotechnology we have one of the arm which supports equity and all, and debt also, and we have TDB, Technology Development Board, which also gives soft loans and many other structured loans. Thereby, particularly we have many products, like recently we have launched the rotavirus which takes care of the diarrhea, which has been that company is from Bharat Biotech from Hyderabad. They have been working for the past 15 years. The research and cannot take place overnight. It's a lot of time and money goes in, and end of the day it has to succeed. And really our country has to be proud to launch that product for almost, I think we are able to give for $1 for one dose, as against almost $45 to $50 for one dose if we import. Skill gap, definitely it is identified. That is the reason Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji have created a special ministry for skill development of every area, particularly healthcare. We are trying to introduce certain programs in the colleges itself, so that by the time they come out, they will come out with a proper skill set. So this is last 65 years. This is we are behind the entire world standard. So we are initiating now. It will definitely give results over a period. That is what we are doing.